I hope you are all well today. I have brought a new video for you guys in which you will get to see some beautiful designs. Some of the designs in this video are very simple and some are a little difficult. Which designs do you like the most? I will definitely tell you in the comments. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Clay video decoration. In this video, you will see clay video decoration ideas include creating decorative objects like wall hanging with birds and flowers, motifs, small twinkle boxes, kitchens with charm like egg or rice balls, magnets and decorative mirror. You can use matte material like air dry clay or polymer clay which is curved by baking. Ideas of decoration including adding flowers, leaves, animals or creating themed display. As seen in various dye video on platform like YouTube. Natural inspired wall art. Create a charming wall hanging featuring birds on branch by coloring colorful clay flowers, perfect for home decoration. Charming kitchen. Sculpt cute kitchen in various shapes such as an egg with a yolk or even a triangle shapes Japanese rice ball. Theme magnet. Make fun and affordable fridge magnet using polymer clay in different shapes and designs. Decorate the form of a mirror with air dry clay to create a unique and personalized art piece. Sculpt and bake colorful character from polymer clay to serve as decoration pencil topper for kids' decks. Create simple and beautiful clay flower and then mount them on MDF boards to form decorative pieces of beginner. To get started, you can explore a range of online tutorials on platforms like YouTube for inspiration and step-by-step instructions, especially of dye project at home. Fashion small decorative crinkle boxes with unique designs, possibly adding a swing and a small figure inside. Simple clay video decoration ideas, making cute minimum foods item, donuts or ice cream, crafting decoration wall hanging with birds and flowers, creating functional item like a smaller pan holder and making a small kitchen or holiday or named beginner air dry clay is a great idea because it doesn't require decline and hardness and on its own, making it a choice for a small decorative piece. This video how to make cute clay from ideas like ice cream and donuts. In this video you will get to see all the toys. There are also many kitchens which are very beautiful and cute. You can make whatever you like yourself. If you don't know how to knitting, you can learn on YouTube. You will find basic video on YouTube and on my YouTube channel. You will get ideas. You can see any designs and make it.